Sodick are the exclusive distributor of Sodick machines within the UK and Ireland. It's been going for over 32 years. It's a family business. I've only been here for 17 of those years, but I've watched the company grow from day one as it's my father's business. What sets us apart is the quality of our machines that we sell into the UK market. We pride ourselves on technology and support and a service to follow that all up.
Well, apart from the machine being the best in the world, we have 6 service engineers, 3 application engineers, all at hand, ready to listen to the customer's requirements. And if need be, we give the customer the experience that they require.
What makes us unique is the use of the rigid linear motor system on the machines, so it's all about accuracy and no wear. Also the ceramic components, so it's big use of ceramics on the machine, so there's no degradation of materials over the years. And also as well the new iGroove system, which is only we can do as Sodick, paint and tin, and this is the wire rotation, so this is 30% less wire used on the job, better accuracy, better parts.
Our success is proven by the fact that we have over 3,000 machines out in the field today in various industries. We understand that energy consumption is a hot topic, so we're ensuring that the next generation of machines from Sodick will be addressing this problem.
We're always at the forefront of technology, so with the AP series of machines and the ALCP, so it's all about high accuracy, so we can guarantee positional within 2 microns. Also again with the iGroove, the wire rotation, which is now standard on all our premium range machines. So that's again really cost effective. It's all about low power consumption and being energy efficient.
What's so good about Sodick is the quality of the machines. The reputation within the market is second to none. Sodick are always pushing the boundaries of technology and always have the customer at the heart of every decision they make.